Boy, but the favorite boy, I work a Kisley, aka on my balance. Well, first of all, I thank God for my life. Thank God I'm still alive today. I really can tell you already, you know. This one a serious matter, a serious case. I don't want to talk about them because me myself, I'm not a social media person. But the way they go now, I need to let you guys know because the thing don't they get out of point. If I not take action now, I just wake up one day, they'll see my balance, they shoot up. You know as we won't be Nigeria, you know how we be. Before anything happen, we don't about ourselves the tweet. Something happened to the video picking. This is my ritual. 11th of November, this very month, so please share this video. Share this video. This is a serious case. 11th of this November, I had a son Ássäsins come my house. But thank God for God. They say if you never reach my person, one thing die. Even if they shoot gun, you go meet them, but you not go die. On the level between around 9-12, Corolla black tinted enter my road. Ping 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 ping. Enter my compound. Ping 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 ping. Reverse. Ping 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 ping. Zoom off. A real junction. Because me, I always pray. My mom she not dey sleep. Not dey sleep. So if you call my mom winch, na better one. Because winch when all the children when they pass 28 before they enter their house, na good winch. On the 11th of November, Ássäsins come my house. I can't take my life. Why? I date person. Family no need them. I let her know. I apologize. I make her understand. Like, you never take him for the boy once. Me not be who you go date. 1 month go pass. Go run show. You not take him. No. I must say yeah, no issue. Nothing like I miss my period. If they're not green, if family not green, make your entire family. If you enter, now which you go to face like move, leave ourselves. You will see another person will love you. Me, I'll see another person will love. I make you understand that beg you, I still ask for payoff. You say no. I try with play, I try with always to make you understand. Say this thing if we continue, will they suffer this? Became matter. Family not love you. I don't make you understand. Me myself, my last class I wanted to know where I did because you know what me. You know what me. You understand? You yourself know how you try to. If not be all this spiritual matter when you use for the boy. You know what me. You blind me, you blind me. Now when my eye neat, I know the kind of person. When me and on the package, you do abroad matter. I go even ask you, why you know want me get money like you get excess money? You go open my tell me say anything make me get money. I will leave you. Try abroad 5 times. Nothing will come, nothing will work out. Visa come to problem. Visa when come people when not able to be celeb, they get any of them. If you reach my turn, touch another time. How far big? You say no. Now Ássäsins you can't send me a keep. Waiting you go gain as in ever inside the period no take wrong show. I don't measure any name. I don't measure your name now. I don't date. If I never see date, we don't reach 4 to 5 relationship. If you and a person not be for each other, even if my God, now by itself do pastor for the blessing of man, it go hard. Now wait till you just don't understand. Say we are not made for each other. Even if we made for each other, but home not welcome you. What you want can do? I don't feel because of one person now. Because of one human being. When I reach road, no. It's gonna abandon my whole family. No, it's not done that way. The love was there fine, but when I don't get my own sense, when I study some kind of things, When you dey do then, I come know say, ah, no, you no want me at all. Inside the period, what you do it, I go approach person. If girl go dey look me like, as in girl dey look me like fellow, me myself, I will approach. They don't dey give me listening here. Girls come dey look me like, who be this one? Forget my personality. Anyone wey even still gree, before 1 month, the person go hate me. You still dey write me say, no, so now that thing of the experience they go. No woman will rather love me, or me and I go fight each other. Now what you talk? But I know they add on to your face. Say no woman will rather love me, and it can't happen. Me and person go dey before 1 month. The person go hate me for no reason. If not be my mom, no tell me God. I for never even know where I dey now. I park into my house for good 2 months because my family they no accept make I park that period. And because family no accept, maybe they come my family house when I come dey stay before. I come my house because that one everybody they go comot me from family group. All my mom children they comot me from family group. I never knew she hacked my phone. She was using my iCloud and she was using my WhatsApp. Till now, inside last month, I removed the iCloud. I consider the see say you still hack my WhatsApp join. Any step I want to make, you they know. Which kind of monetary spirit can be that one? My new relationship, every week we dey get issue, you dey say now you dey do with boldness. You dey tell her to my face. You say not be you dey write me, good and fine. Not be you dey write me. I accept that fact, say not be you dey write me. Because the normal number you dey use and you never want this to say not you, but from the way you tell the talk, I never did get when they call me a race once. Apart from you. You can't tell me, say, if your mom, you waka, or the waka, any waka, since in my hand, they your mom, will remove spiritual. On the 11th, Ássäsins come. Your mom, they sick. What you concern me, concern your mom. If your mom, they sick, you can never pray for anybody that wants you, that wants your downfall to succeed or make it in life. Why you the dry inside house? So any prayer I pray now for my enemy when want me down, when no want my grow, when no want my progress, when want my career die. They must enter ground this year. Now my prayer be that one. Your mom called the sick. What you can concern me? I go in house, carry a picture, oh one thing go. You don't do, you don't try. I don't fit. Even this my new relationship, you collide with my woman friend. You collide with her. That one collide with nurse when she still use my woman no. Because me myself, I don't see a lot of girls, so I decide to choose who never wise and she yourself the talk. I brought her up. Now the girl now never experienced all this when they remove belly. You don't even know if you take it, you don't even know if you get. Not knowing that our friend, my friend to you, he tell that one carry and go clean hospital chemistry in the area. The girl has to make this my woman so know that nurse. They go there now, nurse do test come out. Nurse not show my woman, nurse give her peace. She swell on wishes. I swear they flush the unborn child. I keep her. I'm not on social media, I can't talk. That one can't stay pass. When I can't still give her peace, make she know till they take in. I'm not on social media, I can't talk. You now can't still say you don't do it spiritually. Say she not go feel born because you yourself know say you know I don't know, I'm not God, because you know one day taking from me. You know one day we'll romance for hours. So you can't wait. No. I don't know the kind human being when I come the date. I'm not joking. You know they wet unless I put cream or water before I feel penetrate. But with day, people they see us, they happy. Me not they inside they happy. I don't know if they use my doctor inside bottle.